Hey friends, if you wish to fix notifications not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So search for focus in the Windows search bar and go to focus settings. Okay, if the focus session is started, then stop it. Make sure that there is no focus session. Okay, and in the notification section, you need to make sure that this switch for do not disturb is also off because it's also a kind of focus. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to restart Windows Explorer. Search for Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. The last solution is a malware scan. Search for MRT and open the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan next and then let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.